Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. How do you decide which Latin American country to target for your medical device launch? It is a question that seems simple, but is incredibly complex. Many companies make the mistake of viewing Latin America as a single, uniform market. This approach often leads to wasted resources and missed opportunities. The reality is that the region is a mosaic of diverse regulatory landscapes, economic conditions, and healthcare needs. A strategy that works in Mexico could be completely ineffective in Argentina. This is where the power of detailed market intelligence truly shines. Understanding a market goes far beyond just knowing its total size. It's about uncovering the specific dynamics that signal real opportunity. Let's look at a concrete example: Colombia. A high-level view shows a promising, growing healthcare market, but a detailed market brief reveals a crucial piece of information. Colombia has an approximately 80% import dependency for medical devices, importing over $1.9 billion worth of technology in recent years. This single data point is a powerful indicator for foreign manufacturers. It means the market is not only open to, but actively seeking international products to meet its healthcare demands. This insight validates an aggressive go-to-market strategy, focused on finding strong local distributors. Now, let's contrast this with Brazil, the largest market in the region. A superficial analysis would place it at the top of any expansion list. However, a deeper intelligence brief uncovers significant regulatory hurdles that change the entire strategic calculation. Brazil's regulatory agency, Anvisa, requires foreign manufacturers to have a Brazilian registration holder, or BRH, as a local representative. More importantly, Anvisa often requires a good manufacturing practice, or GMP, inspection of the manufacturing facility before a product registration can even be submitted. This process can be lengthy and expensive, requiring substantial upfront investment. Knowing this transforms your strategy from a simple launch into a long-term commitment, requiring a dedicated local partnership and careful financial planning. These examples show that market briefs are not just reports, they are strategic roadmaps. They help you decide where to invest, how to structure your entry, and what obstacles to prepare for. Whether it is navigating the economic instability in Argentina or leveraging the USMCA trade agreement in Mexico, this detailed insight is what separates successful expansion from costly failure. Pure Global specializes in providing this clarity. If you need help navigating the complexities of the LATAM MedTech landscape, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.